Good morning, dear friends. Today I'm going to have a conversation with one of my colleagues and friends whom I am going to connect on CV application. Hi, good morning, Rohit. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking, brother.
Okay, very good. You sound very confident. Where are you
Yes.
from?
I'm calling from Jharkhand. What about you?
Great, I am from a neighboring state called Bihar. I am from Patna.
You made this voice from learning purpose. Like whatever you are saying to me, like your way of tongue is different. So you made it yourself through. It's like it's a natural.
I made it by working very hard on my communication skill. I worked on 5 years, 6 years because I was working with a company called Press Monitor in Delhi for 5 years. There, my work was to cover the news for US Embassy, Israel Embassy, and Australian Embassy. So I got the exposure of international media. While listening to the news anchor, I got inspired. I thought that if I can really speak like the way they are speaking, I will be fortunate. So I worked really very hard.
So this is your real voice. If you don't mind, okay, don't be take hardly, brother. Actually, this is your real voice here. Like it's you made it. I know. I think you made it
100% I
because of
made
your
it.
thinking. Huh?
100% makeover voice. It is not my real voice.
Okay, okay, okay.
Definitely
That is
not.
great. That's great. That's great, brother. Actually, that's great. Something you achievement, something you achieved. That is great because you're doing this, like your professional things also. This one, like you're conducting some, like with whatever you do. That's all.
Yes, I'm conducting online classes. I teach people across India on Google Meet how to speak English. So,
Okay, that's
yeah,
great.
in order to become so much
And
professional and in my profession, it's a requirement.
okay, okay, that's great. So why you need to be use this application? I know. May I know?
Yes, you must know. Answer to the question that you have asked, that why am I using this application? Very simple reason. I see many people are struggling. A lot of people that use this application are in at the very beginner stage. They don't know how to understand and learn English. What really happens is that there are so many videos being uploaded almost every day teaching English language on YouTube. But I tell you, my program is completely different. When I teach, it takes only 45 days. Within 45 days, one can speak fluent English. Mark my word. One can speak fluent English without pen and paper. That's what I'm talking about. Without pen and paper, nothing you have to remember, nothing you have to write. And everything you will read and write will get installed like a software you download on you from
Okay,
Google Store.
you are having your own software where you have to upload it your video or whatever.
No. I do not upload my video. What I do here is that I teach online on Google Meet.
Okay.
My program is
So what is
magical.
your course fee like?
Yes, it is 2000 rupees per month
So
in
how
group
much time to
classes.
take to be like how much time to take to be like I am like for the like how much time to take to for like improving my communication skills totally fully and
100% 100% 2 months only. But you will have to dedicate at least 60 minutes of practice
thinking
on
so that
given
is
my
the thing.
audio and video. At least if you
That
can fix for 60 days, dedicate 30 minutes every day apart from the class that I conduct, you gonna rocking. Within 45 days it will come. Not you will go or exceed the 45 days.
that's great. Yeah. So, brother,
Before providing my class, I give everyone free demo, two free demo classes. And if you are satisfied, then you can make the payment. Otherwise, there is no payment to be made, no question to be asked, no string attached. You can leave anytime. But I highly recommend
you're saying,
everyone to join my class
yeah,
because I teach magically.
yeah. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. So, still, how much student you teach and they will speak right now?
I have more than 20 students and one kid whose name is Swarit from Mumbai. Within 45 days, still he has to complete 45 days speaking flawless English. He's a student of class 6. I don't know the reason why the kids are so much attracted towards my classes, and they learn very fast. And one student whose name is uh, whose name is Vivek. Actually, he is doing MBA in Mumbai right now, or Delhi right now. He speaks like Englishman, and I have uploaded video on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it.
So what is your YouTube channel name? Same, I will see.
Yes, my YouTube channel name can be easily searched through my WhatsApp number. So you can write my WhatsApp number, and in the search box of YouTube, you write and you will find my channel. 2,000 subscribers there.
May I know your WhatsApp number, sir?
Yes, 82711
711
32802.
32802. Okay. What's your good name, brother?
Rakesh Kumar.
Okay, Rakesh. Okay, definitely I will see and then I will.
Yeah, you must join and see how I teach. At least you can see the method of teaching. You have watched a lot of videos on YouTube, but mine is completely different. You will not disagree after being a part of my class for 30 minutes at least.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was nice conversation with you, brother.
Thank you.
Okay, last question. So, brother, you told me like you from Patna, is it?
Absolutely
So
right.
are you in Patna? So right now are you in Patna or somewhere else?
I am living. Patna is a 1392 kilometers long district, right? So in the eastern part of Patna, there is a place called Bar. That's where exactly I am stationed right now. But I work somewhere else. But right now in my hometown. So it is a very small town, but famous for NTPC park.
I also belong to like in village area. Okay, no also, but I need to be clarify like there is a particular like institute or like you are only individually teaching to someone else.
No, I'm associated with a institute called uh, Concept Point that is located in Harnaut, Bihar Sharif Road.
Okay.
So that is where right now I'm working.
So how long you have been in this professional line?
My age is 41. I have been in this profession for more than 14 years.
Okay. That's great. It was great thing, yeah.
Okay, Rohit. So thank you very much for a nice
Yeah,
conversation.
definitely. If I have a time, so definitely I will contact you. Don't worry about, okay, because I need to be like clarify first, okay?
Thank you very much. Okay, bye for now.
Bye.
खुश रहिए.